Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tabletop fire pits are probably one of the most versatile and captivating additions to any outdoor or indoor living space, offering a cozy ambience and a touch of warmth that transforms ordinary gatherings into memorable experiences. Imagine the gentle flicker of flames casting a warm glow on your patio, balcony, or even your dining table, creating an intimate atmosphere perfect for conversation, relaxation, or enjoying a delightful meal under the stars. These compact fire features are designed for convenience and style, bringing the primal allure of fire to your fingertips without the hassle of traditional bonfires or large fireplaces, making them an accessible luxury for enhancing your home's appeal and your lifestyle. Number 5. Solo Stove Mesa XL Tabletop Fire Pit. Enjoy the magic of a cozy, smoke-free fire perfect for any outdoor setting. Its efficient airflow design keeps your fireside experience free from smoke and lingering odors. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, this fire pit is built to last for years. It includes a stand for stability and folds for easy storage and portability. This fire pit offers dual fuel capability, allowing you to burn wood or pellets with its built-in adapter. Enjoy consistent, warm, and smokeless flames. Ensure secure and stable burning with the included stand. It also comes with a nylon carry bag, making it easy to take on any outdoor adventure. Simply add your preferred fuel, light it up, and enjoy a cozy, smoke-free fire. It's the perfect companion for nights in the woods or patio gatherings. What we like? Experience a cozy, smoke-free fire with this durable stainless steel pit. Its dual fuel capability lets you burn wood or pellets. If you're looking for a portable, long-lasting fire pit for camping or patio gatherings, this is an excellent choice. What people say? This tabletop fire pit is a great addition to our patio. It's easy to assemble and use, and it provides a nice ambience for outdoor gatherings. The flame is adjustable, allowing you to control the heat output and create the perfect mood. It's also very portable, making it easy to move around the yard or take on camping trips. Number 4. Xbeauty 43 Rectangular Propane Fire Pit Table. Introducing a versatile fire pit table that seamlessly transitions from a dining or coffee table to a warm, inviting fire feature. It's designed to be enjoyed all year round, providing convenience in warmer months and cozy warmth in cooler seasons. Enjoy a clean and comfortable outdoor experience. This fire pit uses propane for warm, smoke-free burning, ensuring no dust or unpleasant odors bother you or harm the environment. Crafted with a durable steel frame for longevity and a sleek design. It's ETL certified for safety, offering peace of mind with simple, convenient controls for those romantic, cool evenings. Measuring 42.91 x 22.05 x 24.8, this fire pit table is the ideal size to complement your backyard, patio, or deck. It delivers a powerful 50,000 BTU heat output to keep you warm. Your purchase includes the fire pit table with a burner lid, a protective cover, glass stones, and all necessary accessories and manual for easy setup. Please ensure the table has cooled completely before applying the waterproof cover. Covering it while hot can lead to condensation and water stains due to the coating. What we like? This gas fire pit table offers a 2-in-1 design, serving as both a dining table and a heat source. With ETL certified safety and a high heat output, it's perfect for romantic evenings or extending your outdoor enjoyment through cooler seasons. If you desire a multifunctional piece that provides warmth and utility, consider this option. What people say. This tabletop fire pit is a great addition to any outdoor space, providing a cozy ambience without the hassle of a large fire. The flame is adjustable, allowing you to control the heat output and create the perfect atmosphere for your gathering. It's compact and portable, making it easy to move around your patio or take with you on camping trips. Number 3. OGERY Stainless Steel Smokeless Tabletop Fire Pit. Gather around and create a warm, inviting atmosphere for any occasion. It's the perfect way to enhance festive spirits and enjoy cozy moments together. Experience a robust, smokeless flame thanks to advanced burning technology and a 360 degrees airflow design. It burns efficiently, minimizing emissions for a cleaner experience. Enjoy the flexibility of using either wood or pellets as your fuel source. This makes for a cleaner and more eco-friendly burning experience, suitable for everyone. This compact and lightweight fire pit is built for longevity and easy transport. It comes with a sturdy stand and a carrying bag for convenient use anywhere. Made from sturdy stainless steel, it's reliable for high-temperature fires. It's a popular choice for camping, picnics, and gatherings, perfect for roasting marshmallows. What we like? Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with this low-smoke fire pit. Its dual-fuel versatility and portable design make it ideal for any outdoor activity. If you enjoy gathering around a fire for s'mores or simply want a cozy ambience on your patio or during a camping trip, this is a great pick. What people say. This tabletop fire pit is a great addition to my patio, providing a cozy ambience for evening gatherings. The flame is adjustable, allowing for a customized experience depending on the mood. It's surprisingly easy to set up and use, making it perfect for spontaneous outdoor enjoyment. Number 2. Best Choice Products 52 inches 50,000 BTU Wicker Gas Fire Pit Table. Elevate your patio or backyard with this stunning piece. It perfectly blends stylish design with practical functionality for any outdoor setting. Watch a warm, inviting flame dance over sparkling glass rocks. The included wind guard ensures a steady burn, even on breezy nights, adding a touch of elegance. Conveniently store your propane tank out of sight with the integrated pull-out holder. Swapping tanks is a breeze, keeping your space tidy. Need more room for drinks or snacks? Simply remove the wind guard and use the lid to create extra table space for everyone to enjoy. Crafted with durable, weather-resistant wicker over a strong aluminum frame, this piece is built to withstand the elements. A protective cover is included for added longevity. This generously sized fire pit table offers ample space for gathering. Its beautiful wicker design and aluminum tabletop make it a stylish centerpiece for your outdoor oasis. What we like? This fire pit table combines elegant outdoor furniture with powerful heating. Its convertible table space and convenient hideaway tank holder add to its functionality. If you're seeking a stylish centerpiece for your patio that can also double as a dining surface and offers easy propane management, this is the one. What people say. The flame is adjustable and can be controlled with a knob. It produces a nice, steady flame that is perfect for ambience. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with outdoor decor. Number 1. Houswise Smokeless 8-inch Tabletop Fire Pit. This outdoor fire pit is perfect for your patio, serving as both a pellet heater and a small fire pit. Its portable design makes it ideal for any outdoor setting. You can enjoy the flexibility of using both wood and pellets with this versatile heater. It adapts to your fuel preference, whether you're using it as a pellet heater or a wood fire pit. With its portable design, setup is a breeze. This small fire pit is perfect for taking with you and fits easily into any outdoor space. Experience the ambience of a fire without the smoke. Its innovative smokeless design ensures comfortable entertaining, making it ideal for any gathering. Don't let its size fool you, this mini fire pit packs a punch. It offers both style and functionality in a compact package, perfect for your tabletop. What we like? Enjoy ambience without smoke with this smokeless tabletop fire pit. Its compact powerhouse design and portable convenience make it perfect for any outdoor space. If you need a small, efficient, and easy-to-move fire pit for your patio or small gatherings, this mini fire pit is an excellent solution. What people say. This tabletop fire pit is a great addition to our patio, providing a nice ambience without a lot of smoke. Easy to assemble and light, it creates a beautiful flame that lasts for a good amount of time. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with outdoor decor. It's also surprisingly sturdy for its size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.